Hey guys, so it was pointed out to me that I should make a structural joint in bit by bit and 3D print it and create something bigger than small objects, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. You see that I already prepared this parametric script. It's public, you can also use it to your own needs and purposes. The idea is that you go to the store, you buy some pipes, you measure the radius of them, and you can then configure the script, and then you would just go 3D print those joints, stick the pipes into them, and you would get yourself a sort of Lego constructor. This is what I'm going to do now. I will be playing with my daughter as well, and you see that I'll be making something interesting, like a small building maybe from those joints. So be sure to subscribe to learn more about this project, and of course feel free to use this script, customize it to your own needs, 3D print it. You can also split the model in two halves, so it would be easier for you to 3D print. That's also what I'm suggesting you to do. Printing in half reduces the supports required. You see that I'm printing without any supports here. This saves material, and in general then you can also glue those two parts together. But yeah, as I've mentioned, this project will take a while, so I'll bring you updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.